Hey guys, I want to show you what it's like when my brother's goofing around with our microphone, so hold on just a second. If you can hear that, that's him. Hold on. Keep going, it's okay. If you guys can hear that, it's him. Hey Shane! Shane! Look at me! This is all going on YouTube!